All right, check it out. We are good to go, protected. Hey everyone, new product here from EVBase Grille Mesh Covers. Check these things out. We'll get into it, but these keep bugs, leaves, everything out of your Tesla in the grill. There's a radiator back there that gets clogged up like crazy. I've seen a lot of posts online where people take the frunk out, they take the cover off of the radiator, and they have to clean it all up because it's completely covered in leaves, bugs, dirt, whatever, all kinds of road junk. And that radiator is not cooling well at all, and on top of just being really dirty. So these will help keep all of that junk from getting back up in there so that you can just clean it off like right here, right in front of the car. So right now they're making these for the Model Y Juniper and Model 3 Highland. Hopefully they come out with them for some other models, but for now I'm going to be installing them on a friend's Model Y Juniper to show you how easy this is. These are super easy to put on and take off, honestly. So install is like, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. It's just really easy. And you can see with these clips back here, it latches behind the grill, the fins in there right now. And the plastic it's made out of is some kind of ABS, whatever this plastic is. It's tough. This stuff's not going anywhere. And you know what's really nice about this? If you want to take this thing off, you can just pop the front of this off, this screen off, to either clean it, or when you want to remove the whole thing, you just take the screen off and you can pop these things down and the whole thing just comes popping right off. So yeah, super simple, nice, easy design. These two pieces actually make it like even more simple. All right, let's get them installed. Okay, so we are going to start on this side here because this side needs to be on the bottom of this piece here, is going to clip on top of it. So this side first. This is a passenger side. So if you remember, we have these two clips here that go around the vents, and this one needs to go above this vent right here, and this one needs to go below it. So just keep that in mind. And we've got the camera cut out here, which is nice. And just basically okay, so we're in, and now the first time I did this, let me show you something. With the screen off, you can see that this clip here needs to be above this vent. And it's easy to have this clip be below this vent, and it doesn't, like the top doesn't stay on nearly as well because it's not clipped in. And this clip here easily goes below there. But yeah, this one needs to be above, and it grabs above that vent there. So if, you know, you want to take these off first, it's easy to do. Again, just push these up and pull that out, and then you can see exactly what you're doing here. Maybe I'll do that with the other side, but anyway, you can see that it's on there. And now to put this screen back on, just line everything up, make sure the bottom is pushed in. And I didn't make sure the bottom was pushed in all the way. There. All the way in. All right, let's get the other piece on. First, to pop these off, it's super easy. You just raise these clips here. Pull the screen out. Just like that. All right, so I took the front screen off just so we could see this a little bit better. And you can see it's easy to put this top clip here below this. It needs to be above that vent. So, got it that way. Now it's in place. Push it in there, push that in there. Line these up here, push that in. And it's there, it's solid. Okay, now we put the screen on. That bottom is pushed all the way in first, all the way across, and snap the top in. All right, we are good to go. All right, check it out. We are good to go, protected.